What if I told you that some of the most tantalizing secrets in history are still hidden away, locked in vaults, buried under the sands of time, and whispered about in hushed tones? Secrets so guarded that they've sparked endless fascination and speculation for decades. Are you ready to dive into the mysteries that may never be fully unraveled? The first secret is the enigmatic recipe of KFC. The story of KFC begins with Colonel Harlan Sanders, a man whose culinary creation would become a global sensation. But behind KFC's finger-licking good chicken is a secret that has remained closely guarded for decades: the original recipe of 11 herbs and spices. The Colonel, known for his meticulous approach to cooking, developed this unique blend in 1940, and from the very beginning, he understood the power of keeping it a secret. The recipe is so secret that only a handful of KFC employees know its true composition. These select few are bound by strict confidentiality agreements, ensuring that they can never reveal what makes KFC chicken so irresistibly delicious. The actual recipe is locked away in a high-security vault in Louisville, Kentucky. This vault is protected by multiple layers of security measures. Over the years, this closely guarded secret has given rise to countless imitations and speculations. People have tried to crack the code, with varying degrees of success, but none have matched the Colonel's original masterpiece. The allure of the unknown keeps customers coming back for more, and KFC's recipe remains one of the most iconic and well-protected trade secrets in the culinary world. The next secret is about the lost techniques of the Egyptian pyramids. The pyramids of Egypt, towering structures that have withstood the test of time, continue to baffle and inspire wonder. Built over 4,000 years ago, these architectural marvels have sparked endless debate about how they were constructed. Despite centuries of research, the precise methods used by the ancient Egyptians remain a mystery. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, is particularly enigmatic. Constructed with over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing several tons, it seems almost impossible that such a feat could have been achieved with the limited technology of the time. Scholars have proposed numerous theories, ranging from the use of massive ramps to more exotic ideas like levitation or extraterrestrial assistance. Yet, none of these theories have provided a definitive answer. Ancient texts and inscriptions give us only glimpses of the construction techniques, leaving much to the imagination. The Egyptians were master builders, employing sophisticated knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. However, much of this knowledge has been lost to time, and with it, the secrets of the pyramids. Today, archaeologists and historians continue to explore new possibilities, hoping to uncover the truth behind these monumental structures. The mystery of the pyramid serves as a reminder of the incredible ingenuity of our ancestors and the many secrets the past still holds. As we peel back the layers of these enduring mysteries, we're left with more questions than answers, each one a tantalizing thread pulling us deeper into the unknown. These secrets, carefully guarded or lost to time, are reminders that the world is filled with enigmas waiting to be uncovered. But perhaps it's the very nature of these mysteries, the allure of the unsolved, that keeps us coming back for more. What other secrets might be out there beyond our reach, waiting to captivate our imaginations? The journey to discover them has only just begun.